In a significant move to bolster its defense capabilities, Somalia is set to receive a batch of advanced Bayraktar Akinci combat drones from Turkey. This transfer marks a new chapter in the military relationship between the two nations, with Turkey now playing an increasingly pivotal role in strengthening Somalia's defense infrastructure. The drones, which are among the most advanced in the world, are intended to support Somalia's ongoing battle against al-Shabab insurgents and assist in the country's broader efforts to modernize its armed forces amidst growing security challenges. Somalia has long struggled with the threat of al-Shabab, a militant group that has escalated its attacks on both Somali government forces and key civilian infrastructure. In response, the Somali government has sought to modernize its military and improve its counterterrorism capabilities. The Bayraktar Akinci drones, developed by the Turkish defense company Baykar, are seen as a crucial component of this strategy. These drones are equipped with advanced technology that enables them to conduct both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions with impressive precision. This makes them a powerful tool in the fight against terrorism, allowing for targeted strikes on militant positions and continuous surveillance of enemy movements. The Bayraktar Akinci drone is a step up from the widely used TB2 model, offering a higher payload capacity, longer flight endurance and a greater operational range. Capable of staying airborne for over 24 hours and reaching an altitude of 30,000 feet, the Akinci is also equipped with an advanced radar and electronic warfare systems. These systems give it enhanced maneuverability and situational awareness, crucial in the complex and often hostile operational environment of Somalia. In addition to their impressive technical specifications, these drones are equipped with a variety of munitions, including guided missiles and precision bombs, enabling Somali forces to carry out strikes with accuracy. The drones will be instrumental in supporting Somali ground troops and other defense operations, gradually weakening al-Shabab's hold on key regions and restoring governmental control. This delivery of Turkish drones to Somalia aligns with a broader trend across Africa, where many nations are turning to Turkish-made military technology to enhance their defense capabilities. Turkey's drones have already proven their effectiveness in several conflict zones, including Libya, Ukraine, and Nagorno-Karabakh, leading to growing international demand. By securing these advanced aerial capabilities, Somalia is not only enhancing its military power but also strengthening its strategic ties with Turkey, which has become a key partner in defense and infrastructure development. However, the move has sparked concerns in the United States, which has traditionally held influence over Somalia's military and political affairs. Following lobbying efforts from the U.S., Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud recently removed the country's defense minister, Abdulkadir Mohamed Nur, who had been instrumental in fostering closer military relations with Turkey. The U.S. had voiced concerns about Somalia's growing military cooperation with Turkey, especially following the signing of a defense agreement in February 2024 that gave Ankara responsibility for securing Somali waters and providing support for energy exploration. Despite these geopolitical tensions, Turkey remains committed to supporting Somalia's security efforts. Turkish officials have emphasized that the removal of Nur will not affect the overall strategic relationship between the two countries, as the cooperation is built on institutional agreements, not individual personalities. Turkey has made significant investments in Somalia's infrastructure and defense, and it continues to play a key role in Somalia's fight against terrorism. This shift in Somalia's military alliances reflects the broader competition for influence in Africa, where various global and regional powers are vying for partnerships in strategic areas. The introduction of sophisticated military technology, such as the Bayraktar Akinci drones, is further reshaping the security landscape in the region. As Somalia continues to engage in counterinsurgency operations, the integration of these advanced drones into its defense strategy will undoubtedly have a profound impact on the ongoing conflict, while also influencing the wider geopolitical dynamics in Africa.